one, today I'm going to be showing you how I juice, how I make my raw juices. I find that when I do this, this is the only way that I can get vegetables into my little boys' mouths these days. So they think it's really fun to juice with me. I admit it can take a lot of prepping and washing and peeling different things, but it's worth it. I try to do it once a week now. Before I bring out the juicer, I'm gonna bring out all the fruits and vegetables and show you that my whole prep work, how I wash them, how I cut them, you know, what needs to be cut. You can't put the cores in the juicer. You have to peel the ginger and stuff. So let me get all the goodies. I try to make this as green as possible, and I get a lot of this at Aldi's, by the way. If you guys have an Aldi, highly recommend it. Everything except the beets. I got the beets from Fresh Thyme. They have great affordable produce. You know what? I don't need all these beets. I'm just gonna use this bunch. Celery, cucumber, a whole bunch of apples, and ginger. So I don't have any specific fancy way like the recipes. My motto is just try to get as much greens in there as I can, but I have to mask it with the fruit or my boys will not drink it. So all these apples are gonna go in. These are the Granny Smith. This is gonna be more tart, but my William likes tart. I totally forgot to get lemons, but if I had more lemons, I would use about 3 lemons. So I'm gonna put all these beets in, 3 beets, about 5 apples, the lemon, and then a little ginger. I can't do too much ginger or my boys won't drink it. But after I make that, then I'm gonna go back and juice more for me. And I'm gonna add celery and cucumber. They won't drink it if I put celery in there. So, get out the cutting board. All right, so cutting board. I need to get my strainer. Because we're gonna need to wash all this. And my knife. It's not for you, sister. Okay, I'm just gonna set this in the sink. So, I'm going to chop the stem off the beet. Throw that away. And you know, you wanna get a little closer, so cut the top off, cut the root off, cut the tail. And then these are gonna need a good scrub, and then I'm gonna cut these into 4. It's just easier to put into the processor juicer that way. Uh-oh. Runaway apple. You like apples, don't you? So I can't put too many beets in for my boys because they will not eat it. They will not eat it if it has too many beets. Run away! So I'm gonna scrub these off. I'm gonna scrub the apples and the beets and then show you how I cube those up. Just give them a good scrub. I got this Norwex cloth, so this will really help scrub all the dirt off the beet. And then the beet just completely goes in raw like this, but you just want to cut it up. You want to de-seed the lemons. You don't want seeds going in there. Ginger. You want to grate it. Okay, so I'm going to finish up peeling this ginger. I'm going to cut up a couple celery, wash that off, cut up the cucumber, and I gotta go pick up the boys from school. I figured I would do all this prep work while they're at school because it takes some time peeling the ginger, peeling the lemon. And then when they get home, I'm gonna let them help me because they love putting the fruits and the vegetables in the juicer. And it's fun for them, which I'm okay with because then they see the whole process and then they get really excited to drink it because they made it. So when we get home, we will continue the process and I will show you how to juice it all and show you the concoction we get. It's mainly gonna be a lot of apples. I'm gonna sneak in some celery, just a little, but you know, if there's not a lot of sugar in there, they're not gonna drink it. So better than nothing, right? And I'll show you my preferred juice drink as well. Uh-oh.
Hi. Hi. Today we are doing fresh juice, kids.
The beets and the apples are really hard. So the speeds are 1 through 5. The beets and the apples have to go at a 5. The celery can go at a 4. We don't have anything soft. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, let me scoot this over. All the juice is gonna come into here. Let's start juicing. Turn it on. Let me show Mama's bowl.
I'm gonna do it too.
This is Mama's bowl. I don't know if you guys want this, but this has a lot more beets, a lot of celery, parsley. I'm even gonna put some mint. Oh, and the cucumber.
This is your juice, Mama.
Let's get a straw and try it, okay? Because this is gonna be sweeter. You're gonna like that. I like to put an ice cube in it because it makes it nice and cold. That stuff you can either throw away or put in a smoothie. Okay, let me stir it up.
I want to stir mine out.
Yes, can you stir it, James?
Just add some, you can add some beets.
Perfect. My kids are gonna love this. How much do I owe you? Don't say $20.
$20.
You guys are expensive. Are you the Juice Brothers today?
Yeah. Cheers. Cheers. They made a good batch. I like it. Yeah.
Do you like it? What do you think?
I like it.
You got beet in your hair. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how delicious is it?
Good. 9.
Oh,
Mine.
that's pretty good.
My score is 4,000.
Oh, wow, it's out of this world. So look, you're drinking it. What does it taste like? Beet. So good. Good for your arteries,
Mine
good for your
tastes like
heart.
apple and beet, and mine tastes like beet, apple, and celery.
Oh, hey, that's funny.
mine-
That's what we put in there.
Our batch with beet.
Wow,
in it.
that's good. I don't even taste the beet. I just taste the apple. It tastes like apple juice. You guys did amazing.
So in our next juicing video, we can make some apple juice.
I'll have a little more of yours. Then we gotta make mine. Let me cut up the cucumber, okay?
Mama, let's
And I'm adding lemon to mine. Ooh, it's gonna be sour.
Want some juice? Let's grab a cup.
Oh, me. Thank you.
Would your baby like some in a bottle?
Ooh, that is spicy. Oh, that ginger.
I want some. I'm gonna get a video. I'm gonna get it on video for your phone
We got the beet.
Yeah, we got the beet.
Okay, right when you finish, it's important to disassemble this and wash each part because you don't want the fruit to dry on it, especially the blade. So I'm gonna put all that in my sink. This piece, you know, this in the sink, and this is the blade. It's very important.
The blade?
It's very important to soak this in warm soaky water for 10 minutes, and that gets all the pulp and just fruit off the mesh and the net.
What?
Soak that. And this is all the extra residue, so it can cut through all the fruit. So you can either eat that, you can freeze it, or just throw it away. Because that's where all the fiber is.
We can eat that?
Yeah, you want a spoon? You want to try it? Whew, now I got my juice in me. Now I can put it back together. And here are the pieces. You got your pulp container. This will collect all the pulp. Your blade. This also came with a puree disc. I'm not using that right now. You can use that to puree and for smoothies, but I just use this to juice. The NutriDisc, the lid, the NutriDisc, and the filter bowl. And you'll notice there's an arrow. Okay. And then I place that in the motor, and the filter disc will kind of screw in. Then I put on the lid. Alrighty, so that completes how to put together the Breville Juice Fountain Duo. It's very easy. I know I got this filled up, but I'm just giving you a feel for how it looks. So let me know if you have any questions, and good luck if you are just now starting to use your juicer. Good for you. Bye. Thanks for watching.